Hello guys, welcome to NKL classes once again, and my name is Naval Kishore Lodhi, and in this video we are going to talk about the important notifications released by IGNOU very recently. So here in this video I would like to begin with the admission because there are so many students who are quite curious to seek admission at IGNOU into different programs. So here I would like to mention that the last date for admission is 11th of October 2021. Keep in mind, I'm just going to revise it again. Last date for seeking admission at IGNOU is 11th of October 2021. Right? Now, the next and second information in this particular video I would like to talk about is related to the submission of assignments. If you are already a IGNOU student and you are studying at IGNOU in any program, then definitely you are required to submit your assignments, right? So the last date for submission of assignment has been extended, and it has been extended up to 31st of October 2021. So means you have this month, and by the end of this month you have to submit your assignments if you are going to appear in the December 2021 examinations, right? Specifically, if I would like to mention here that if your assignment is even pending for any subject that you did not submit or you could not submit due to any reason, then only as well in that case as well you can submit your assignments by 31st of October 2021. Here I would like to mention the importance of assignments because there are so many students who are quite new and they are not having that much information or that much experience with IGNOU. So I would like to share my own experience and also the perception which I'm having, right? Actually, assignment work is quite important because assignment is also the part of your final scores, means whatever the percentage you would be having in your graduation or post graduation or in any program, it is also somehow dependent on the marks of assignments which you will get. So prepare your assignments timely and submit them, right? And also it is quite mandatory to appear in the examination. Like you might have heard that it is quite mandatory to submit the assignment first, then only you would be able to fill the examination for that particular subject, right? Now the next update is related to the results. IGNOU has updated the result very recently on 1st of October 2021. So if you have appeared in the June 2021 2021 exam, means which was conducted in the month of September approximately. So now the IGNOU is updating result for all those subjects for which copies have been checked by the examiners. So they are continuously updating the result, and the latest result update was on 1st of October. So if you appeared in the September examination, then definitely you should go and check your result. It might be updated, so check your result as well as your grade card. And if it is not showing over there, then definitely I would like to say that you should wait for some more time, right? Because it is continuously updating the result from one time to another, so you should wait for some more time, at least give 40 to 45 days. It is quite commonly said that IGNOU usually takes 40 to 45 days time to declare the result of any subject. But as the pandemic situation is going on, so you should be quite you should be updated with the relevant informations and relevant updates which IGNOU is releasing from time to time, right? And also at the end of this video I would like to brief you that if you need academic guidance or academic support, then definitely you can contact me on my number, that is 8800570162. I'm just going to repeat it once again. It's 8800570162. So this is my number. You can make a call on it and also can drop a message through WhatsApp, right? So you can contact me for any kind of academic guidance or academic support. Specifically, I deal in the BA English and MA English. So if you are a IGNOU student and pursuing your graduation or post graduation having the subjects of English, then definitely you can contact me if you need any kind of academic support or suggestions or any kind of academic guidance. Then definitely I would be more than happy to help you, right? At least I can guide you in each and every manner. Means whatever the difficulties, whatever the problems you face in your daily examination preparation, then definitely you can approach me, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, and we will try our level best to solve all your queries, to solve all your doubts and problems. So I'm here to help you, right? Keep in contact. And also at the end of this video, I would like to ask you, if you have not subscribed this channel, then do subscribe my channel so that you can get the regular updates of IGNOU. Yes, I definitely